How can I make money quickly? Has come up a few times this week from business owners. There's been quite a few emotional calls that I've had this week from business owners who are, asking for kickstart sessions. So how do you make money quickly in your business if you need an influx of cash? Get focused is the first answer. Get really focused on the one thing that you'd love to sell. Just think about one thing that you'd love to sell that will help alleviate any cash pressures. And think about who you know in your network, previous clients, who would be perfect for that service that you've got to offer. And do some simple reach outs. Get in touch with them. I've got a space available. I've got this service and thought of you. Who do you know who? So be really focused and really targeted. There is always something you can do to turn a business around. Speak to someone you know, love and trust, and have the conversation with them so that you're in the right headspace to start marketing that one targeted product or service that you'd love to send. Just know that there are always answers. And for the future, learn from this. Don't get yourself to the point where I've got to do something quick or I've got to find a job in 2 weeks. Think about this and you recognise that you have a challenge much earlier on and reach out so you're not getting to this point of absolute, I've got to do something right now. And as always, if I can help, please get in touch.